In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate your Asana account. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and what to expect as you go through the deactivation process. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account in your web browser. Once you're on your main Asana workspace or project view, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your initials, a profile picture, or a generic avatar, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small drop-down menu with several personal options related to your account. From that drop-down, look for the option labeled Settings. This is where you can manage things like your profile details, notifications, and importantly for today, your account controls. Click on Settings to open the Settings window. It usually appears as a pop-up or a panel over your main Asana view. Inside the Settings window, you'll see several tabs along the top, such as Profile, Notifications, and others. Find the tab labeled Account. This section is specifically for managing your account level preferences and actions. Click on the Account tab to open it. Within the Account tab, scroll through the options until you find the one that says Deactivate my account. This is the control that starts the process of deactivating your personal Asana account. Before you click it, keep in mind that deactivation is a significant step. It typically removes your access to the account and may affect how your tasks and projects appear to others. If you're part of a team or an organization, you may want to let teammates know in advance or make sure any important tasks are reassigned. When you're ready, click on Deactivate my account. As soon as you do this, Asana will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. Follow these prompts carefully. You may be asked to confirm that you really want to deactivate, select a reason for leaving, or re-enter your password for security. Read each message on the screen and confirm your choices step by step. Once you've completed all of the prompts, Asana will finalize the deactivation process. That's all you need to do to